Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we do some practice programs in Python. In our previous classes we have done so many programs. All these programs will help you a lot in having a deeper understanding of the concepts of Python. This deeper understanding will help you in writing the code on your own, which we discuss in our coming classes. So coming to today's class, let's take the questions, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solutions. And you can visit our website learningmonkey.in and you can take the placement practice tests. Okay, coming to today's class, this is our first question. They have given 4 statements. James, Pavan, Jack and Lina, they have given 4 statements. Which of these following statements are incorrect statements? They are asking for incorrect statements. So out of these 4 statements, what are the incorrect statements? So take the question. And coming to the second question, this is our second question. You have to identify what is the output that it is going to display. This is a similar question. These kind of questions already we have done in our previous classes, but there is some exception. There is some separate point you have to understand in this. That's why we have chosen this question again. One important point is there to identify. Okay, coming to the solution part. So let's take the first one. What's the James statement? A child class of an abstract class can be instantiated only if a child overrides all the abstract methods of parent class. Yes, it is correct. A child class of an abstract class can be instantiated. Instantiated means we can create an object for it. Only if all the methods, all the abstract methods of parent class should be overridden, then only we can instantiate the child class. Otherwise we cannot instantiate the child class. So this statement is correct. Now coming to the second statement, Pavan, an abstract method should have a definition. An abstract method don't have a definition. It won't have the body, just the declaration part will be there. So this is the wrong statement. Now coming to the next, Jack, an abstract method can be overridden in child class. Yes, that's correct. An abstract method can be overridden in the child class. Yes, it is overriding. Next, coming to the Lina, if a parent class has 2 abstract methods, for the child class to be concrete means it's a common normal class, it should override at least one of the abstract method. No, it has to override all the abstract methods. So this statement is incorrect. What are the statements that are incorrect? Pavan and Lina statements are incorrect statements. Okay, coming to the second question, this is our second question. So these type of questions we will solve it from bottom up approach. This is what we are following from the beginning. So what happens? Val is equal to 10. They have defined a function. Exceptions are there. Finally block is there here also. So in our first class in this playlist we did this example, but there is a separate point to understand. What's the point? Val is equal to 10. Try function of. They are sending a list to the function. Means sample list will take this list 187. What's the index values we will have in sample list? 0, 1, 2. They are taking data is equal to sample list of 2. Which one? The 7 value will be taken, and they are displaying print data. Means they are displaying the data. Is there any exception here? No, there is no exception here to take. So it will come out of that and it will execute the finally block, finally finished function. So 7 finally finished function will be displayed. After that, after calling the function, what happened here? Val is equal to val1 floor division 0. Here we are having 2 exceptions, naming mistake and divided by 0. Which one will be considered? The first one. What's the first one? Val1. The compiler will start checking val1. Whenever it found that val1, there is a naming mistake is there, so it will raise an exception. It won't go for divided by 0. So that's why here in the except block, 0 division error is there. It is not considered. Except will be considered. Default, any one will be considered into except block. There is no separate method here. Separate exception name error is not there. So that's why by default it will take the except block. So this is the output it will display, and finally will be displayed. So what's the output here? 7 finally finished function. So the next one, which will it is going to error outside function, and finally block, finally completed program. That is what the output we got. Okay, this is what you have to understand. Hope you understand the concepts of Python. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.